Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on transportation with Lyft step by step clearly. First, download the Lyft app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Enter your payment information securely to ensure smooth transactions. Check for any available promotions or discounts on the main screen. Choose the right option that best fits your needs, like Lyft, Lyft XL, or Lux. Select your pickup location by entering your address or using the map feature. Review the estimated fare before confirming your ride. Consider using the Schedule a Ride feature for upcoming appointments or events. Share your ride status with friends or family for added safety. Take advantage of Lyft's rewards program by earning points with each ride. Use the fare estimator tool to compare costs with other rideshare services. Look for shared ride options to save money on solo trips. Plan your rides during off-peak hours for potentially lower fares. Keep an eye on surge pricing and wait for peak times to subside if possible. Utilize any credit card rewards that can be applied to Lyft rides. Refer friends to Lyft to earn ride credits for future trips. Always double-check your route and driver information before getting in the car. If you're traveling frequently, consider Lyft's monthly plans for regular savings. Review your ride history to make informed decisions for future rides. Evaluate alternative transportation options, like scooters or bikes, available within the app. By following these steps, you can effectively save on transportation with Lyft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.